afternoon and good morning and evening, wherever you are joining me at this hour. Yes, we're going to look at how the market has performed so far in the first quarter of the year, and also at the same time, give you projection of what the stock recommended for 2024 first quarter masterclass has done, and also at the same time, what is your expectation in the next coming masterclass? Yes, masterclass for 2024 first quarter was held on the 1st of January. And I will tell you that the key five stocks that were recommended in this that class was ICO, Unity, Transcorp, Dangote, Sugar, and USCN. And I will tell you, out of these five, four has hit expectation. Some are giving us 100%, 85%, 86, 87. Some have doubled more than two has doubled more than 100% before they start correcting. But as we speak now, Transcorp is still on the move. But what I'm telling you is that in every gathering or any forum or any class you attend, it is the ability to take action is what matters, in that class. Not just attending and sit down. People that took advantage of the class within the first 2 3 weeks of January, most of our recommendation meet their target, and that is how to take advantage of the market. When the master class, was planned to hold on the, to hold on that first, it was people were saying that it was Christmas thing. Because of that, also we do not do live that have to send the document back. But now we have seen how the market has performed. This is the All-Share Index in the Nigeria Stock Exchange. You can see a kind of a markup at the beginning of 2024. So I think the market has come what we call consolidation stage at this point. Now market has entered a decline phase. As market has entered a decline phase, people will be confused. They say a lot of uncertainties in a down market. But I tell you, it is these uncertainties in the down market that provide opportunity for design investor and smart trader to make money. Why? By combining your technical, your fundamental, your sentiment, and common sense analysis. But the good thing is that we have done our diligence on these five stocks before we pick them. Also, we are working on already on also the one for for Q2 masterclass as we speak. Let me tell you that if you are yet to register, hit the button there and also go and register online. Normally, we have started informing you about this masterclass. My joy is that despite the uncertainty in the market as a result of a high E in alternative investment window, there are still opportunity in the market. The 2024 Q2 masterclass start not navigating the uncertainties in the market. But I would say that I would call it 2024 Q2 game plan for active and what and for active traders and investors, because this is the class that where we'll be sharing why you should be watching for watching out for what a major market move right now in the market, especially as we are going into the second quarter of the year. You need to prepare yourself, and that makes you different from others. The simple indicators that will also give you the confidence to trade the major trends in the market, even either in a down market or the bear market, what will be reviewed during the class, looking at, because I told you, right, you must combine all this. Yes, common sense analysis is good, but I tell you, most times common sense analysis does not work. But if you can combine your technical and your fundamental, yes, with the sentiment and the common sense, you also stay ahead of the market. That's why you need to look at the market. Also, we have seen the changing trend in the market, the changing fundamental in the market. How will you take advantage of it? That's why you must make our time to attend this coming master class. The first one has held in January, second one is coming also on the 30th of March. And that same class also we're going to look at the three criteria you can use to identify the best trend to trade right now after entry to the world. You need to know all this. Once you're able to put it together, you are good to go. How to avoid getting trapped or kind of caught in the web of a big trend that stops halfway, whether daily or weekly or monthly. No matter how short you are trading the market, you must avoid being trapped in any of the world. That is why you must trade your plan, and these are what we emphasize. For this stock, I've scored already. Looking at the ICO, if you look at ICO chart, quick one. To look at ICO chart, you see how ICO has performed. For this period, that will not give you can see a kind of chart you are seeing. This ICO, the class was held on the 10th. You can see ICO has hit almost 80 to 90% of your target. The first time coming now. There's still opportunity, but also this I'm telling you example. Also, if you look at Unity Bank, also that was also recommended in this class, you know that yes, We don't just choose stock for choosing sake. We have done our own diligence for say come and buy the stock. That is why you must attend this coming one so that you can take advantage of the market. You can see the life of Unity. Unity have done 100% before started coming down the way it touched as high as 3 naira 80 kobo, double the price recommendation were given in the class. Also, the life of Transcorp as we speak today, Transcorp is still on fire. That's why we are reviewing it so that you will see Transcorp is still on fire. It has beat our target of 15 naira, touched as high as 1920. You can see the formation of that now. The half Transcorp is also looking in the up direction already as we speak. Today already, Transcorp also gained another 10%. So coming back to form another double top here, which also call for concern. But if you look at also the life of Dangote Sugar, these are the stocks that were recommended in this last matter. You can see how it moved as high as touching almost the world, touching 89, and the target there was the 94. You can see that this stock have gone back. So this is how to trade. That you must know how to be in the market at the right time, enter the stock at the right time. As it correct now, this stock become more attractive ahead of what? Ahead of the expected merger. That means a pullback in this stock is giving you great opportunity. You can see that it has come below what is opened the year, where make this more attractive for you. For those that understand what it takes to buy stock cheap, also when looking at your risk to reward ratio, you have to look at and also what is happening in the stock and the point that you are seeing. And like I said in the live class today, that what you are seeing in Dangote Sugar and Nascom is a lot of what those that borrowed money to buy the stocks, during when the merger talk started and the scheme came out, they expected that it will completed shortly, but they have stayed long, and we have seen the new rate hike that pushed most of them to that corner as they are selling, either to pay their capital and then also to service their loan. That's why I think for me, the merger talk is still very, very strong. There's no cause for alarm or opportunity for pulling back for you to also take advantage of it. Yeah, the only stock I know that out of the 5 stocks that are still tagging field in this 5 is what we call USCN. USCN rally, after the class, you can see a rally as high as gotten to as high as 16 naira 70 kobo before coming down. Can see it here now. Also, I almost forming a double bottom. I hope it's a good a bullish signal for what for stocks. Those that understand the technical analysis, for me, it's a good one. These are the 5 stocks and they've done well. If you look at the Excel here, you quickly can see for yourself. This is the Excel for the class for the master class. You can see the stocks here. You can see for how many days. You can see for 90 days. Already the month is here to the quarter is here to finish. For this quarter, I've done well. You can see them here. These are the top 5 stocks that were big. Other ones are stocks to watch, which most of them also have done well, excellently well within the period so far. For me, there's no cause for alarm. For those few stocks who are going to position who are already in for investors to also take advantage of it. You must understand the market and take advantage of the market basis. I tell you, as the economy has basis, also the market. But the ability to pitch stock and move the trend is very, very much. That's why you must understand how to match what market trend with economic trend or stages. These are part of it, but also the power of earnings by knowing what the business model. These are the things I'm going to share. Because at the end of the day, you stay ahead of the market. Market, as we speak now, is very, very strong. When I mean strong, not that the fundamental is still as strong as at the beginning. But when I mean strong, that there's no cause for alarm. Most of the stocks that are going to pay dividend are still very, very good. Looking at the correction, like market is strong. When strong, I mean that the price we are seeing and dividend expectation, if you align as was expected, that will change also the face of market. But for you to trade the market in Q2, knowing that anywhere in the world, Q2 is also most active also quarter again. Knowing that from November to May, so another trend for the market. It's a cycle. That means we are still going to join here towards May, and that means first month of Q2 is where it's supposed to be in the market. That's why you must understand. Quick one, if you look at it, it's a quarterly chart, which I will tell you that if you understand what the chart is saying, because it gives you an insight exactly what to do and how to go about the market. If you check the quarterly performance of our market across the different year for many years, if you look at it, this is the quarter performance we have seen so far. Look at it. This is the 2020. This is the first quarter, second quarter. You can see that this is this is the second quarter. Look at it. This 2020. First quarter is this here. This first quarter 2020. This second quarter. You can see that if you check it from over, you can see this this first quarter, this second quarter. You can see that every second quarter there's a trend that has always followed second quarter. You need to follow this second quarter, second quarter, second quarter. You need to go with it. It's also second quarter. But this trend it will already remain the market day. It's only a few years you see that second quarter do not do well. It's only like this year that you see that second quarter do not do well. That was in 2019. 2019 that sorry 2019 that was so that second quarter was down. But every other year for 2014 to 2020, the second quarter has been was an uptrend. That means you have to take advantage of that second quarter. Even as you can see that after Q1 as well, you see a rally in 2022. You can see it here 2020. That also in 2021, you can see that second quarter. Okay, second quarter was marginally down, but other quarters you can see that Q2 has been a good quarter for every investor. You have to take advantage of this quarter activity so that you can position right at the right time. Also, we are looking at the market as rally. So far, this we are seeing a little correction as we are seeing here now. That also creates more opportunity. You can see that the uptrend on a quarterly basis, you see that trend continue. Let's see what the going to work for. Right, why you need to prepare yourself that as a trader, you must not stay on the fence. Calculate the timing and also what will drive price. And that's why in investor we don't play with our 90 days position. We don't play with our buy and sell signal. And at the same time, our yearly what all these programs are designed for a purpose so that you can be in the market at the right time. Nothing like knowing the right time to be in the market. And once you are in the market, you are good to go. That is the way to go anytime, any day. On this note, I will say thank you. I look forward to see you in the coming master class, comment 30th of March. And also for those that are members of Buy and Sell Signal, you are enjoying a 25% discount. Why non-member are going to enjoy only 5% because they are non-member. For members, you have 5% to enjoy. Non-member will enjoy only 5% discount on of the program on the 24th of March, so that you can take advantage of it. For those that will not be able to remember, once the 24th of March, we're going to pay the full fee of 70,000. Our speakers are ready, and they are all professionals that are also experts in industry, are going to share their insights and at the same time how to take advantage of it. You know how, for those that have followed us all these years, you know what to do in our master class. Look forward to see you come March 30th, in the name of Jesus. Thank you and enjoy the rest of your day.